but because it's very teacher-centered and we have a very packed curriculum in all the subjects, so we move very fast. So unlike modeling instruction, we can't take care of every individual student in the classroom in an individualized way. Sometimes, we ask a question. If one student gives the correct answer, I would just, call that, I would just summarize the answer and then quickly move on, So yeah, it's very different. And although I have participated in a lot of the modeling workshops with STEM Teachers NYC, whenever I try to apply things to my own classroom, I have to make huge modifications. They can't directly apply. Yeah.
So what are some of the modifications that you might make?
So for example, sometimes in the modeling workshop, what I learned is you just give the students a bunch of equipment and let them figure out a task.